for Arctic fox, fluffy and white. A is for beluga, singing all night. C is for caribou, marching in snow. D is for ducky, gliding below. E is for ermine, changes his coat. F is for falcon, so fast as he floats. G is for Greenland shark, ancient and shy. H is for heart seal that flips with a sigh. I is for ivory gull, wings in the breeze. J is for jaeger, that sails overseas. K is for kittiwake, calling come play. L is for lemming, who scurries away. M is for muskox, with wool worn and thick. N is for narwhal, the unicorn trick. O is for orca, who leaps in a spin. P is for ptarmigan, snow feathers blend in. Q is for queen eider, pretty and neat. R is for ring seal with spots on its feet. S is for snowy owl, eyes big and bright. T is for tern, on a long Arctic flight. U is for urial, wild sheep far away. V is for vola, in tunnels they stay. W is for walrus, with whiskers and tusks. X marks the extra-cold land of the husks. Y is for yak, though he roams near the pole. Z is for zigzag,